So the question is merge sort. So before moving towards the question, let us know what merge sort is. Merge sort is a divide and conquer algorithm. It divides the input array into two halves, call itself for two halves, and then merges the two sorted halves. So if there are two elements in an array 4 and 3, it will first divide them and then it will merge them according to their value. So let us take an example 4 1 3 6 2. So let L be the leftmost index of an array and R be the rightmost index. So we will check if left is less than right, and yes, then we will divide the array in two halves. So the array will be divided from middle, so 4 1 3 and 6 2 5. Again we will check for the same, and yes, then 4 1 and this 6 4 1 3 and 6 2 5. Again we will check for the same, and there are two elements, so it will again be divided. So the array is going to be divided until there is only one element left. So now I is equal to R. Now we can start merging. So in merging we will have two pointers I and J. So we'll check if whichever is smaller, we will include that element into the next array. So first one will included, then 4. In this case 3 will come down. In this case first 2 will be included, then 6. In this case 5 will come down. Now again it will merge the arrays. So in this case 1 will come first, then 3 will come, then 4 will come. In this case first 2 will come, then 5 and then 6, and so on, and hence we will get the final array. So analysis of merge sort is in the tree. Let us assume that there are n number of elements in this tree, in this array. So in this tree we know that the height of a tree is log n, and there are n number of operations in every level of the tree. So the time complexity is going to be O of n log n. So let us continue with our program. So our program mainly contains 4 methods. The methods are process random number, get random number, do merge sort, and merge parts. So out of this, two main methods are do merge sort and merge parts. So first we will make the random number. So this print writer will make a new file in text format. So this is our random number method, random numbers generating method. It will generate size random numbers. The value of size is going to be the number of random numbers generated, and it will store those random numbers into a array called input array, and also it will make a text file of those random numbers. So now let's make the method to merge sort. If lower index is less than higher index, this is a recursive method of do merge sort. We will check if lower index is less than higher index. If that is true, then we will declare the middle, that is going to be the lower index plus higher minus lower divided by 2. Then we will call the merge sort for the two parts, the left side of middle and the right side of middle, and then we will merge those parts. So now let's make the merge parts method. So this temp merge array, input array and size are not declared. So let's first declare them. So this is our merge parts. We are having an array that is input array, and we are also making a duplicate array that is temporary array. So we are going to fill the input array from lower value to higher value. So we will check if we are having three iterators I, j and k. The k is for the input array which is going to fill the input array, and I and j are the two iterators in the temporary array. So what we are going to check is if the element at ith position and jth position, which one is smaller, will be filled in the input array. So if I is less than j, then we will fill I at the position of k, else we will fill j. So this will go until either of the iterators goes to the end, and if so, then we will check while I is less than middle, we will put all the elements, and same with the jth index. So now as we are done with our merge part and merge part and do merge sort methods, and also we are done with our get random function. So it's time for our process method. So now we will call our random function that get random. In this case, it's our random numbers. So after getting the random numbers, we will call the do merge sort method. So now we are done with our process method also. So let's now make the main method. So now we are done with our program. Let's run it. Let's enter the number 5001. Total number generated is this much, and the time complexity is this much. And where is our m random? This is our random numbers, and this is our sorted numbers. This is the sorted array of numbers. So yes, now we are done with our program. You can get the link in the description.